Babu Lechon here, Hayward. Here's that Lechon bite. Oh. Oh, wow. So the plan for this video is to check out a place called Babu Lechon here in Hayward, California. We're gonna try some lechon, get a plate of that, and see what Babu Lechon is all about. Filipino food, Filipino shop, and let's get to the video right now. It's right over here. All right, let's check it out. Hi.
Would you like some lechon today?
Yeah, I want to try your lechon plate.
We do have a pound minimum. Yeah, our specialty is the pork belly. This one is just extra.
Yeah, I want to try your specialty,
okay.
the pork belly.
Oh.
You guys chop it up too?
Yes.
Okay.
Would it be for your house to go?
You know, I'm talking to myself because I'm doing a video.
Oh, okay.
The sauce is inside
Yes.
here?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
How many bucks for?
All right, really nice looking restaurant. You can see them prepare the pork belly, the lechon, right there at the station. Like you have the tube of lechon, the Cebu style lechon. They do that early in the morning. They'll chop it up for you, as you've seen here. Individual size for me, which is a half a pound. They have some rice, and let's take a look at some of this lechon here. Opening it up. All right. Oh yeah. It's craving some of that lechon. This is the specialty stuff they have here. When you come here, you want to have that lechon. Hence the name Babu Lechon. That looks juicy and delicious. I'm excited to try this here. Let's see. You got the Mang Tomas on the side here, some sauce. And then I believe this might be the soy sauce, vinegar. Pop those here to try that here shortly. Individual plate, $16. Let's go ahead. So maybe you want to try just the lechon by itself first. Maybe a piece of the skin first. Oh yeah, you know that's gonna be crunchy and delicious. Yeah, let's immediately give that a bite. First bite, Babu Lechon here, Hayward. Here's that lechon bite. Oh wow. Oh. That right there is crispy and delicious, fatty, juicy. The elements of that lechon just protrude. Ah, that is so crispy and delicious. Yeah, that is the type of lechon that you want to bite. That's the type of lechon that you want to have. It is fatty. It is oily, delicious masarap. Oh man. Let's try a piece of the meat now. Okay, do a nice chunky piece right here. Okay, take a bite of the meat, that fatty bit. Bite. Oh wow. Oh, that's yummy. Just a chunky piece of meat right there. That texture, a little bit of lean, juicy, a little bit of fat. Incredible ratio of meat right there. I'm blown away by this this lechon right now. Probably some of the best lechon I've had. I think we'll do a combo. We'll chase it with a piece of skin fat. Mang Tomas? Yeah. And a sweet sauce. Let's give that a bite. Bite. That Mang Tomas is a sweet sauce, a sweet gravy. Pairs perfectly with that lechon. Okay, we want to chase it with some skin. Some of the best parts, in my opinion. Bite. That was so fatty, delicious. You have to have some of the skin when you have the lechon. It's a must-have. Let's try it with this. Might be a soy vinegar. Okay. Okay, let's give that a bite. Like that jiggly, meaty, fatty bite. Oh yeah. The soy vinegar sauce. Oh yeah, that is drinkable in my opinion. Acidity, some brininess to the meat. I love the flavor of that. Maybe some fish sauce too. You have a hint of lime. Fantastic. I want to add that sauce onto my rice. You just know that's just gonna be just soaking into that rice. Every grain, just delicious. Wow. Okay. All right. Got a piece of that. And I do another dip in that soy vinegar. Okay, keep right here. There you go. Let's bite it quickly. Bite. A little bit more rice. Bite. Oh. Perfectly cooked, warm rice, coupled with that sauce. Just tremendous flavor. Chase with the lechon. That should be good right there. And then we'll probably chase it with some more of that lechon skin. Okay, here we go. Bite. Yummy. A little bit of sweet sauce. Bite. Oh. Man, this meal, just delicious. Wow. That'll do it. All right. So that was by Babu, Lechon, Hayward, California. Yum. Delicious. Thoroughly enjoyed it, as you can see here. That's about it. Stop by this place if you're ever in Hayward, California, and you're craving some lechon. Check them out. With that said, enjoy the bite life. Later.